Hello, welcome to IKSC, an Automotive Skills Development Council's authorized training center. We shall discuss on career-oriented domain training programs like BIW Design here. The journey starts with the psychometric assessment to help you know the skill gap. This customized training program is aimed at developing all necessary skills and knowledge on the body in the white of automobiles. Basics of automobile, BOM, BIW design cycle, materials used, standards and benchmarking. On CAD, you will learn 3D modeling, 2D drafting, assembly, surfacing, and DMU in CATIA. You will be through with GD&T and Tolerance Analysis. You will get knowledge of CAD creation methodology, master section creation, sheet metal component design, and detail drafting. You will be trained on Green Belt 6 Sigma certification. You will be learning value analysis and value engineering. Projects are an important part of the IKSC training programs. You will work on many study projects followed by short-term projects and long-term projects. For example, projects like a pillar design, door design, hood design, BIW structural requirements, Class A to Class B and detailing, remastering parametric modeling. Also, you will be made skillful to crack the tool test in CATIA. Soft skills are important from a long-term career point of view, and you would get a chance to hone your time management, project, and program management, and mind mapping skills. You will learn interview skills, CV, and group discussion from the interviewer's point of view. Many MNCs come to IKSC for campus. You can attend these camps till the right job is for you. Spread the word about IKSC Knowledge Bridge. Thank you for your